Yeah, it's a great moment for me to welcome you for the first time for an IGS workshop in South America. It was mentioned already several times that this is a historic moment. And I want to review a bit the history. These are the locations of the past workshops within the last 30 years of the IGS. We have met mostly in Europe or North America, just also a bit in Asia, Oceania, never in Africa or South America. Why this is the case? Looking where we have the most or the core components, analysis centers, data centers, and yeah. So it's, I think I know what did happen, yeah. Okay, so it means it coincides somehow where the IGS has the major components. We can also use another indicator, the associate members. We have one country with more than 50 associate members, but it's a big country. If we go further, more than 20 associate members, more than 10 from one country, more than 5, and less than 5. If we sum up it via the continents, we realize most of them are hanging around in Europe. Okay, that Russia counts to Europe is just, there's one associate member for Russia, that's why it looks like this. But what worries me a bit, South America, only 5 associate members. So obviously, South America is not that active in the IGS. It seems, at least when we look at these figures. So from this, I hope that we can use this workshop to show you that we are not just producing nice results, but that it might be worth to contribute to the IGS, because this is the definition for the associate membership. So that's why we are meeting here in Santiago de Chile. And as associate member, you have certain privileges. You can vote for the members of the governing board. You can participate in dedicated meetings that show the progress and developments of the IGS. And you can also become a candidate to the governing board. These are really important opportunities that you have with this. But to become associate member, you only need to be a friend or fan of the IGS products. You really have actively to contribute to this. So from this, I think this week will be a good opportunity for you to join the discussions of the IGS components and to think where you can contribute to the IGS in future, that in the next workshop, when I show this map again, we have a bit more than 5 associate members from South America. Where you can contribute. First with stations, that doesn't look that bad in South America, thanks to Sirgas. Data centers, analysis centers, and we have currently the opportunity to have one analysis center coordinator, but 2 combination centers. These are opportunities to contribute. But these are big tasks. You can also jump in with smaller tasks. For instance, with joining one of our product committees on different topics, where you can learn during this week what they are doing and where do you think that you can contribute. We have also pilot projects, working groups, where any support is welcome. If you have managed to become active there, you have during this year the opportunity to join the governing board, because we will open by the end of this year 2 positions. A network representative and analysis center representative need to be re-elected. So from this, as an associate member, you can be a candidate. Okay. Then in that sense, we can look forward to this workshop. We hope that we get, after this workshop, more active contributions also from South America. We need each of you that really wants to contribute, and that's why we are here. Enjoy the week and much success for those that are involved already in the IGS, and for the others, please become fans of the IGS and start to contribute. Thank you.